Good morning, guys. Happy weekend. It's Saturday. Welcome here in EDSA Crossing Show Boulevard. Busy rito, guys. So busy. Thank you for watching, guys. Ganda ng sports cars, guys. Porsche 911 Carrera. Wow, nice sports car. Good morning, EDSA. Just passing by Mega Mall, SM Mega Mall, guys. Welcome to Ortegas Ibabaw. Ortegas Ibabaw na, guys. Ortegas Ibabaw. Welcome to Ortegas Ibabaw. Passing by Robinson's Galleria. Amen. Amen. Just passing Corinthian Garden. Welcome to EDSA People Power Monument. Yan, guys, ang EDSA People Power Monument beside Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City. Yes, guys, Santolan Station na. Santolan Flyover. Welcome to Santolan Flyover. Santolan Flyover. Sa ilalim lang tayo, guys, kasi pupunta tayong Main Avenue. Welcome to Main Avenue, Barangay San Roque, Quezon City. Turning right to Main Avenue, Quezon City, all the way up to 18th Avenue. Good morning. Welcome to Barangay San Roque. Ayun na, guys, nandito na tayo sa 15th Avenue all the way to 18th. Left turn to 18th Avenue. Yes, guys, 18th Avenue na. Dito na yung Aguinaldo Elementary School, Quezon City. Left turn tayo, guys. Left turn to 18th Avenue. Left turn with care, guys. Left turn with care. Thank you for watching. Alright, guys, pitwason na. Nakarating na ako sa aking paroroonan, ang bumili ng gulong dyan sa may Westlake. Thank you for watching, guys.